Hello, this is Eggy Pal. Last time we practiced changing the order in addition. And I gave you homework to help find the second key. Let's see if you did your homework well. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Wow, great job. Now let's add 2.
Yes, I am ready.
What is 1 plus 2? 2 equals 1 plus 1. Remember. 1 plus 2 equals 1 plus 1 plus 1. Change the calculation order. Calculate first. 1 plus 2 equals 2 plus 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 2? 2 equals 1 plus 1. Remember. 2 plus 2 equals 2 plus 1 plus 1. Change the calculation order. Calculate first. 2 plus 2 equals 3 plus 1. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 2? 2 equals 1 plus 1. Remember. 3 plus 2 equals 3 plus 1 plus 1. Change the calculation order. Calculate first. 3 plus 2 equals 4 plus 1. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 4 plus 2? 2 equals 1 plus 1. Remember. 4 plus 2 equals 4 plus 1 plus 1. Change the calculation order. Calculate first. 4 plus 2 equals 5 plus 1. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 5 plus 2? 2 equals 1 plus 1. Remember. 5 plus 2 equals 5 plus 1 plus 1. Change the calculation order. Calculate first. 5 plus 2 equals 6 plus 1. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 6 plus 2? 2 equals 1 plus 1. Remember. 6 plus 2 equals 6 plus 1 plus 1. Change the calculation order. Calculate first. 6 plus 2 equals 7 plus 1. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 7 plus 2? 2 equals 1 plus 1. Remember. Seven plus 2 equals 7 plus 1 plus 1. Change the calculation order. Calculate first. 7 plus 2 equals 8 plus 1. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 8 plus 2? 2 equals 1 plus 1, remember. Eight plus 2 equals 8 plus 1 plus 1. Change the calculation order. Calculate first. 8 plus 2 equals 9 plus 1. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Wow, we made 10. 9 plus 2? 2 equals 1 plus 1. Remember. 9 plus 2 equals 9 plus 1 plus 1. Change the calculation order. Calculate first. 9 plus 2 equals 10 plus 1. 9 plus 2 equals 11. Now we have a number bigger than 10. When we add 2, we add 1 and one more 1. Great job. Next time we will add 3. 3 is 2 plus 1. Remember, you will need this next time. You did an amazing job today. See you next time. Bye-bye.